Yun po sa LTO Assistant Secretary Marcos Lacanhilaw shared that Cao was previously arrested noong November 27 sa Makati. Detained at Special Operations Division Highway Patrol Group sa Camp Crame. Nasa PNP po natin ito. Ang violations include obstruction of apprehension, illegal use of alias, false representation, and willful misrepresentation. Documents show Cao used the alias Martin Xiao in LTO records. Si Cao po to be transferred po sa BI facility po natin sa Taguig after inquest and medical examination. Siya po ay haharap ng isang kaso sa Bureau of Immigration. If found guilty, he will be deported and blacklisted po sa ating derogatory record. Yan po ang ating tatlong